You can start a real tutoring business in 2026 for less than $300 and have your first paying student before back-to-school season. Here is the exact step-by-step plan. Private tutoring in the U.S. averages about $50 an hour. Families spend around $2,400 a year on it. And the market is growing roughly 11% a year, with demand spiking every summer, right before the school year starts. 7 steps, real costs included. Here we go. Step 1. Don't be a tutor for everyone. Pick one subject and one level, the thing parents already ask you about. Math and reading carry nearly 70% of all tutoring demand. Step 2. Online K through 12 runs $27 to $55 an hour. In person, $35 to $68. Test prep, $80 to $110. Start at the middle of your bracket and raise it after your first 5 students. Step 3. An LLC costs about $150 in most states. Then use a real tutoring contract, payment terms, cancellation window, session policies. Never tutor without one. It protects your income and your time. Step 4. Skip paid ads. Tell your inner circle, post in local parent Facebook groups, and put flyers where parents already stand. Libraries, rec centers, coffee shops. For a service business, word of mouth converts better than any algorithm. Step 5. Plan your first session like a product. A short assessment, one clear win for the student, and a 2-minute recap for the parent at the end. The first session decides whether there is a second. Step 6. Retention beats marketing. A simple monthly progress report turns one semester into a full school year and into referrals. The tutors who report progress are the tutors who stay booked. Step 7. Build your paperwork once. Intake forms, lesson plans, invoices, parent emails. Reusable systems are the difference between a side hustle and a business that grows. Now the math. 10 students, 1 session a week at $50 an hour. That's over $2,000 a month on about 12 hours of work a week. And 20 students doubles it. And if you'd rather not build the paperwork from scratch, we've already done it for you. Contracts, intake forms, parent communications, pricing calculators, all editable. Links in the description and the pinned comment. Start now. Back to school demand is already on its way.